Have you ever heard or seen an influencer or a business owner ask you to type something in the comment section, especially if you have too many followers and they are all asking for a link to a dress you're wearing, or a link to the app you're using, or a link to something, or just an information that you can't type one by one? This would help you send this message faster. And we're going to be using an app called Manychat to do this. Now with Manychat, you can be able to automatically send DMs to your followers if they request for it. And all they need to do is type something in the comment section that you ask them to type, and they will automatically receive the message. So you don't have to do it yourself. This AI would do it for you. So it would send exactly what you want it to send to them. And you don't even have to, you would be sleeping and your followers will be getting links, which would lead you to more sales or more followers or more views or whatever you're trying to achieve with this app. Click on the link in the first line of my description box or the pinned comments in my comment section. Sign up to Manychat and let me show you how to set it up. So you get 100% discount, which basically means it's free for the first month. Let's get it. You can connect to Instagram. Also, you can choose other channels. So you can choose all these options. And now the option to connect it to TikTok is not available in the Netherlands. So we're going to choose Instagram. You need a professional Instagram account to connect Instagram to Manychat. So we're going to do that. We have to go to business, next, say product service, done, continue. Your Instagram business account is ready, so click on done and allow it. Activate the pro trial to get the full experience. So I'm going to do that now to be able to get the full potential, because the free trial does not have that many features. So let's activate, choose the plan, your preferred plan. This plan is more convenient for me and comes with AI. As you can see, our total fee is 0, so I'll choose that and then click on Start Pro for free. Now we're officially in Manychat. We have arrived at the Manychat home page, and this has a different automation templates you can apply to your Instagram page. This one is new and I really find it useful. With this one, once you get a new follower, that person immediately gets a one-time welcome message. This is a good way to build a community. And we also have this one for affiliate marketers, but this is the one we are trying in this video, and this is the popular one. So this is the auto DM link from comments. Let's click on it. Yeah, and now we're going to select the post you want to apply this to. You can also decide to select any post or the next post, but for now I'm going to apply it to a specific post. It depends on what you want to achieve with your Instagram page. So if you select any post, it means this automation will be applied to all your posts on Instagram, and if you select next post, then it will be applied to the next post you upload on your Instagram page. But let's click on specific post. We have to select the picture we want, and the next step, we are going to type the specific words that your followers need to get the automatic response. So mine would be store, because I'm trying to promote my Amazon storefronts with the best deals. So I'll tell them to comment store to get the link to my Amazon storefront. So yeah, this is the word here. This word triggers this automation. You can decide that they would get an open DM, and with an open DM, they are not getting the direct link immediately. This is actually to promote engagement. So the first message will be, hey there, I am happy you're here, thanks so much for your interest, click below and I'll send you the link in just a second. So this is like a double down, asking them again to request for the link. You can also select this one, and this is a DM asking them to follow you first before they get the link. So this is for people who want the link but haven't followed you yet. Maybe you're giving freebies to all your followers, and then people who don't follow will type store and expect the link. So this is an automation asking them to follow you, and then they'll receive the link. You can also select this if you're trying to build an email list. So with this one, you're asking them to type their email to receive the link. So this is good for email list. I would advise you to not select all of them, because yeah, it makes the process long and they might get tired and click off, and you don't want that to happen. So maybe one at a time or two at a time at most, depending on what you want to achieve. And You can also decide not to select it at all. I wouldn't select it at all because I'm not trying to really build an email list or something like that. The purpose of this automation that I'm choosing is to direct leads to my Amazon storefront. So that's what I'm going to do now. So now this is the DM, a DM with a link. So I'm going to type the DM here. This is the message they would receive immediately they leave the comment, and here we're going to add the link they're going to receive. So I'm adding the link to my Amazon storefront here, and here I'm going to type the name and then click on save. And here a follow-up DM if they don't click the link. I would also select this just in case they don't click the link. The AI would remind them. So that is that about this. I'm going to remove this open DM like I said before. I don't want that. Yeah, and then click on go live when you're done. Yeah, so over here you're going to be seeing the click-through rates, the number of clicks, the emails you've gotten. This would help you analyze the automation and see if you want to make changes to it. And you can click on stop here if you don't like it, or click on edit here. Now over here we're going to see all the automations we've done. I've done 3 automations so far. This is the latest one. And now let's go to my Instagram page and let's go try it. So on my Instagram page, I'm going to use my second account to comment. I'm going to go to my main page. This is the post I added the automation to. Now I'm going to type store. And let's see if we're going to get a reply. And let's go to our message. Look, I received a message and it already contains my Amazon storefront. Hello, we saw that you left. Exactly what I asked you to send was what it sent. Now let's click on it. Continue. And look, it has directed us to my Amazon storefront. This is wonderful. I was supposed to get a reply to the comment and also the DM to the link, but I did not get a reply to the comment, which is not ideal because you have to make them know that you've sent the link. So we're going to edit this now, and we're going to click on this reply to their comments under the post. So yeah, you can make changes to this if you want, but I think this is perfect. So sent you a message, check it out. Thanks, please see your DM. Nice, check your DM. I think this is good, and click on update. So now if they leave a comment, they are going to get a response to the comment and a DM. So the comment would notify them that you already did what you promised to do. Now, if you're interested in more things that AI can do for you and your business, this is where you need to be. In this place, I make it easy for you to digest. I give you a step-by-step tutorial. I teach you how it is used, what it is used for, and how you can leverage this. So if you're interested in this, make sure you subscribe. Give me a like to thank me for this wonderful video I just made. And if you feel like giving me a super thanks, why not? We don't mind over here. So till I come your way next time, I remain your one and only Jessica Okoli. Bye. Mwah.